Let's get this opened. So this is a whole portable kit that you can take anywhere. You can actually add to this kit. I could take this to the track with me and align my car at the track if I absolutely have to. So, I need to make a quick toe adjustment. Something happens, tie rod breaks, whatever. I mean, this is the kit. Here's the instructions. That's the steering wheel holder I got. And then this is the kit that I got, the 4th gen, with the 4th gen sliders. Sounds like we're underneath a tornado watch. So that's how it goes. Alright guys, we are going to go ahead and finish off where we left off. Finally got my QuickTrick glide plates, or turn plates, on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm definitely going to want to purchase the 5th gen kit. I think that would be a lot more helpful. I didn't realize on how much more I would have needed it. I've already test fitted it on the car once before I even had the turn plates. So, but I think the 5th gen kit will help me out tremendously. So. This has a little claw on it. This is what actually goes into the wheel. And if, obviously I'm using steely, so this will be real easy to get in there. But if you need to mount them another way, they have a cap that goes right over top of it. Keep it tight. Cord. Got it on. Now, you don't have to do this, but I suggest on doing it, making sure that this is level. And now I'm going to go ahead and go to the other side.